Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what many consider the best Smartwhip on the market, the Whippet. Elite 8.5-gram premium aluminum N2O whipped cream chargers, available in a convenient 100-pack box. If you're someone who loves whipping up fresh, light whipped cream or crafting cocktails and culinary delights, this product promises to deliver professional-grade performance with every use. The Whippet Elite chargers stand out because they are made from the highest grade, 100% premium aluminum. This not only makes them lighter than traditional steel chargers, but it also contributes to a better overall experience when handling and using them. These chargers contain approximately 20% more nitrous oxide gas per unit compared to industry standards, meaning you get more volume from each charger and fewer reloads during your whipping tasks. This efficiency helps you save time and effort in the kitchen or at the bar. What sets these chargers apart is the advanced cleaning process they undergo. Whippet uses a proprietary method to remove any oily residue inside the charger, ensuring that each one delivers clean, fresh gas for your whipped cream or other whipped products. The result is a lighter, fluffier product with improved aeration that's not only delicious but also lighter in fat and calories. This makes them ideal for those who want great taste without compromising on health. Proudly produced in the USA, these chargers maintain strict quality standards, which is evident in their consistent performance. The Whippet Elite chargers are compatible with all standard whipped cream dispensers, so no matter what model you own, these should fit perfectly and work seamlessly. For safety, it's important to note that these chargers are designed strictly for food and beverage preparation. They must be stored in a cool, dry place and handled with care, avoiding exposure to heat or sunlight above 120 degrees Fahrenheit. The product also includes important legal disclaimers due to the nitrous oxide content, so always use responsibly and keep them out of reach of children. The packaging comes in a sturdy box measuring 9 by 6 by 4 inches, with a total weight of about 7 pounds, making it easy to store and manage in your kitchen or bar setup. If you're a professional or a home enthusiast who frequently uses whipped cream chargers, this 100-pack provides great value and convenience. In summary, the Whippet Elite 8.5-gram premium aluminum N2O chargers offer an efficient, high-quality solution for anyone who wants to create lighter, fresher whipped cream or other aerated culinary creations. Their superior gas volume, lightweight design, and advanced cleaning process make them a top choice in the market. Whether you're making desserts, cocktails, or experimenting with other whipped concoctions, these chargers ensure consistent and satisfying results. Thank you for watching Product Critique. If you found this review helpful, please like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more insightful product reviews. See you in the next video.